$3 billion for vacant properties in Baltimore. Let's talk about it.
Those before me only spend about $7 to $8 million a year to deal with addressing vacant properties. At that rate, it will take more than 300 years to end this crisis.
So although there are literally, as of today, 13,613 vacant properties in Baltimore, the $3 billion really goes to the 37,500 properties that they deem as necessary and required to renovate. Now the question is how? So the mayor of Baltimore, Brandon Scott, the GBC, the Greater Baltimore Committee, and Build have come together to create this plan to get access to this $3 billion. The city plans on contributing $300 million to that. Where does that come from? So the $3 billion is going to come from a TIF, which is really the first time taking that kind of strategy into like the hood, as well as a special purpose entity that was used for Harbor Place back in the day, and sales tax in the city. The rest of the money is basically going to be raised privately. You want to learn more about Build, this whole special purpose entity, and how we got here, head to the YouTube channel where I did a whole thing on that.